Hello friends. So I found a very interesting cross-site scripting today. The cross-site scripting through headers parameter. So this is a URL. I'll copy this. I'll intercept this request into my Burp Suite. Done. I'll right click send this to repeater so I can test there. I'll give a parameter called referrer colon. I'll give a Batman because I want to see Batman is reflecting or not. So Batman is reflecting. Now I will try to build the payloads for this. So let's give single quote Batman. Batman is reflecting. Okay, in single quote. Let's give double quote. Okay, so single quote and double quote. Yes. Now I will use my payload. This is my favorite payloads. I always use this. So let's try this one by one. Okay. Perfectly. I'll use and. Where is and? It's perfectly working. Single quote, double quote, and okay. I'll use percent. Perfectly alright. After that I will use this the script alert 1 script tag close. Let's try this. Click and go. Right click show response in browser. I'm getting a pop-up or not. Let's see this. Yeah, I got pop-up. Yes, even if we'll directly use this, maybe I will get it. See this script alert 1. Right click show response in browser. Copy this. Yeah, it's working. Let's try to do this there. Instead of script error 1, just give document dot domain. So response in browser. Copy this. So it's perfectly alright. Okay, the payload is the normal payloads. You don't have to give this. You can give the normal payload. That is script alert 1 script tag close document dot domain. So this is a perfectly good payloads. Now see this. Okay, yes, POC the video. I will make a video, and you can also include request body. So this will help. Request body. I'll copy this. I'll paste this there. Okay, and response video enclosed in attachment. Sure. So I'll report this to American Express today itself. I hope it's a good POC for you to enhance your knowledge. Let's talk about reflected cross-site scripting versus stored cross-site scripting. Reflected cross-site scripting occurs when an attacker injects browser executable code within a single HTTP response. The injected attack is not stored within the application itself. It is non-persistent and only impacts users who open a malicious crafted link or third-party web page. So basically, it requires user interaction to execute this reflected. See, let's take example this website testphp.vulnweb.com. Okay, there is a HTTP parameter pollution. See this. Now, if I'm finding here for cross-site scripting, I will give double quote closing script alert 1 and a script tag close. See, it's not storing into the web applications. Okay, so if I will send this link to anyone, it will get executed in the target applications, but due to Chrome it's not easy, no problem. So I'll my new Firefox new private window. Okay, So this is your victim, okay? So I send this link to my victim, okay? If they will interact with this link, yes, then it will get executed, otherwise it won't execute. So it requires user interaction to execute this, okay? So I hope it's clear to you that what's is reflected. Now stored based, let's talk about a stored based now. Okay, stored based. So same website, testphp.vulnweb.com. Yes, there is a sign up, there's a login. Let's log in, and this is a profile updation page. So whatever I'm giving here, let's giving him a, because it's updating into the application. So if any user will visit there, let's go to private window. So I am a new user now, testphp.vuln. I'm going to the your profile, my profile. I logged in and I got test php. See this? Because now what if I will update here this script alert one, and let's update this. So this is the hacker browser. Now let's go to client browser. If I'll just update this page, it's executing. So it's coming, the script is coming from the server now. So it's called a stored based. So I hope it's clear to you what is stored based or get based. Let's understand on the live website. See this. This is a woodlandworldwide.com. See this now. There's, if I'm firing a script there, script alert one, script is this. So it's executing. But if I'll send this link to anyone, then it will execute. See, let's go to client browser now. If you are visiting Woodland Worldwide, see, woodlandworldwide.com, and it's not executing. But if you will execute this link, if you will visit on this link, it will execute. So it's a reflected base. Reflected base requires user interaction. So I hope now it's clear to you. Let's talk about exploitation of cross-site scripting. What an attacker can achieve by this vulnerability. See, I get to know that if someone will execute this, they will get a pop-up of 1. Why this is executing? Why we are getting pop-up? Because of this script alert 1. Because of this alert 1, we are getting 1 pop-up, 1 as a pop-up. Now see, the first attack is URL redirection. What if instead of alert 1, what if I'll give document.location.hrefs and I'll give some website there, http://bing.com. Let's do this now. So everything will be same. So instead of this alert 1, if I'll do this now, if I will send this link to someone, see this. Let's examples, you are a visitors, you are a client now, you are a users now. You got this link. See, it's reacting to bing.com. So that means there is a URL redirections. An attacker can use this vulnerability for phishing. Yes. So I hope the URL redirection is clear to you. Now we will see second attack of cross-site scripting, that is phishing through cross-site scripting. See, so it's advanced phishing. Okay, so let's try on this website, advanced phishing. See, I got to know, let's example for this website now, test php.vulnweb.com. So I got to know that this the p parameter is vulnerable. So if you will do script alert 1 / script on the p parameters, see this. If you will do this on the p parameters, it will give you the pop-up. the alert of 1, because you are executing script alert 1 there, that's why. Now see this, see, instead of this script alert 1, what if I'll give something like this iframe. Iframe means embed something. What you want to embed, you will decide later. First iframe tag close. Now just give source of any other website. Let's give my website. See this, on where, on the p parameter. So let's copy this now. So p parameter is vulnerable, so instead of p value I will give this now. See now, so this is your final. Let's copy this now. Let's open this. What happened? So they are embedding hackerserver.com into web page. Now what if I will give the height and width of that? So embedding, so height equal to 100% and the width equal to 100%. Let's click on execute. We got it's completely overlap on the web screen. So see this can be very dangerous for a web application, because yes, the people will get confused where it's visiting and where it's entering the credentials. So I hope it's clear to you. You just have to give height equal to 100% and the width equal to 100%. Now we will see cookie stealing. It's the most dangerous attack for cross-site scripting. See, if you will logged in any application, this will the web application may generate some cookie. So if you will do this on the vulnerable parameters script alert, they will give you the pop-up with cookie. Script tag close. So they will give you the pop-up with cookie. So let's browse this. Let's copy this. Now let's fire on the search parameter, because search parameter is also vulnerable. See this? So now we'll see. But how to steal the cookie? The important question is how to steal the cookie. For this, see this. This is my website hackerserver.com. I have a log file analyzer cpanel.hackerserver.com. I will log in my applications. Okay, now see this now. So there is a PHP myadmin. I'm going there now. There is a hackerserver log file. See this, visits log. See, this is my browser. Okay, the log file analyzer. See, if you will visit my websites in any page of my website, let's say you are visiting on workshop. See this. So I'll get to know who visited and which page they visited. See this now. See, okay man, I'm not getting. Let's training, classroom training, maybe contact us. Okay, so page equal to contact I visited. Let's check here. See, you visited classroom training, you visited page equal to contact. See this, and the IP address is this now. What if I will redirect to this website? Script document dot location dot hrefs equal to http. You can give this website page equal to contact. So what will happen? The page equal to contact, then a script tag close. Let's see this. So if you will copy this as a payload, and if you will fire this as a payload, see this now on search bar. Let's try this there now. So you are redirecting to where? Page equal to contact. See this now, you again redirected to page equal to contact. Let's see this, page equal to contact. Now what if I will redirect page equal to contact, but I will also send something there? What's something there? Let's do something. Let's copy this as a payload. Copy. Now fire on the vulnerable parameters. So I'm firing on these parameters, the search bar parameters. See this? They are redirecting to page equal to something. So if any user will visit on page equal to something, I will get to know. See, I got to know that they visited page equal to something. What if instead of something, I will give what? The cookie value, document.cookie. See this? And let's use this now. So if you will do this now, then what will happen? Let's copy this. They will redirect to hackerserver.com with cookie value, and I have a sniffer. I will get to know that they visited this. After the page equal to, I will get a cookie. See this now. See, I got a cookie there. Yes, the cookie value is login equal to test by test. So what an attacker can do by this cookie, let's talk about that also. So we stole cookie, that is this. Now what an attacker can do by this cookie? Now let's think that you are a what? Let's log out first, okay? From this website, just log out. So I'm logging out. See, now you think that you are a hacker now, okay? So you can import cookie. You just have to import cookie. Either you can import through Burp Suite or you can import through the edit my cookie app, okay, add-on. Okay, you can also edit my cookie add-on. See this? Edit my cookie add-on. You can add on Firefox, or you can also use cookie injector. Okay, so if I'll use cookie injector, the Firefox. Okay, cookie manager, not a cookie injector. You can use cookie manager. This is a very good to tamper the cookie and to change the cookie. See this now. So I install cookie manager. I'll restart now. I already captured the test PHP cookie, so I'll use test php.vulnwev.com. Yes, so I am not logged in now. I'll edit cookie now. So tool, there's the cookie manager, cookie search for cookie, this, but there is no cookie. In this new cookie, the cookie name is what? Login. The data is test by test. The domain was test.php.vulnwev.com. The path you can give / whatever. Save file. Let's click on extrude. See, you are logged in now. So you imported your cookie there. So that's called cookie stealing and importing into your browser. I hope it's clear to you. Let's talk about XSS through file uploading. So if you uploaded any file and file name is reflecting on the HTML page, there may be cross-site scripting. You can execute any JavaScript code there by renaming file name as one of the XSS payloads. So see, for example, I am uploading a file here, this a car image, okay, and it's uploading successfully and it's reflecting into the response. So let's see this, view page source. My file name is Honda and it's reflecting. See this? Any other error? No, it's only reflecting there. Now what if instead of that file name, let's have that's yes, so okay. I have to start Firefox also. This is a problem in Mac, no worry. So 192.168.0.105, this was my lab. Okay, I will log in again. See, so I was trying for the cross-site scripting through file upload. So I uploaded one file and it was reflecting. Now see this, I'll intercept is on, let's upload. I got the request and I got this is the file name. Yes, I have to attack a cross-site scripting payloads there. So I'll right click, send this to intruder positions. I'll clear the all positions. I'll select the only file name which file name is reflecting. I'll add payloads, load, and I have payloads. Let's start attack. Double click on length. Let's sort the length. Now you can check the right click show response in browser. Copy this. Let's open this now. So it's uploading but it's not executing our payloads. Maybe this is a lab, that's why, but in real world it will work. Okay, yes, it will work. We can also try by URL encoding disabling. Let's start right now. Double click on length. Yeah, I got something. Show response in browser. I'll copy this. Let's browse this. So it's not executing, no problem. Right click, show response in browser. Copy this. So payload is not executed. That means this may be not vulnerable, maybe also possible. It's not vulnerable, or you can try some different payloads there, like on search, show response in browser. Copy this. So yes. So likewise you have to try, okay, for the XSS through file uploads. I think you got an idea that how to do this. Yes. So I hope it's clear to you that how to do XSS through file uploading. Now we will see XSS through remote file inclusion. So for this, what you have to do, you have to create a HTML file, JS file, whatever file. Okay, so any file, so you can like any.js, you can say the any.html, you can say, maybe sometimes in that file you have to what you have to do, you have to write this script alert 1 and script tag close. Okay, so and you have to place this file on your server. Like I placed some file on this my server. I placed a file, this hackoff.html, on my server. If someone will visit this page, it will execute this what? It will execute script alert 1. Okay, now so I'll find RFI first. See, and I got RFI there. There is a URL equal to something. I'll copy this URL, let's say. So I got some of the RFI link. Now instead of their URL, RFI means what? Remotely file including. So they will load their remote file. So what if they will load this? We will get our XSS pop-up. Let's do this now. I'll copy this now. Let's browse there. See, so basically japanpost.jp is loading content of hackersera.com hackoff.html into their web page. So this is called access through RFI. I hope it's clear to you. Now we will talk about convert self XSS to reflected one. So sometimes it will give you bounty, sometimes it won't give you bounty. Okay, let's try on this website. So I will spider this website first. So I'll open this website. Proxy intercept is on. I think you know how to spider this. I don't have to. I already spider, and I got these many URLs. I'll pick any other URLs having parameters. Right click, send this to repeater. So let's click on go and let's search this now. In response, I got this is reflecting. See this? So what if instead of this, what if I'll give double quote closing, then I'll give script alert 1 and a script tag close. Yes, let's go right click, show response in browser. Copy this, let's paste into browser. It's executing or not? It's executed. But the problem is when you copy URL, because it's a reflected bit, so it's a get based reflected. When you copy URL and when you are visiting this, it's not reflecting. That means there is a self XSS. Okay, only you can execute this. So what I done there, self access you can do, you can directly copy the HTML code. Just copy this, open a notepad, save there the self XSS to reflect, and now open with the browser. Let's open with Firefox. See, it's executing one, but the problem is one cannot harm anyone. Okay, what if instead of do alert one, do redirections? So what if I redirect people? Document dot location dot h reference equal to, I'll give a website there, http://bing.com. let's click on go and just copy the HTML code. Now let's save this and then open that. Okay, now open this. What happened? See, it's redirecting to bing.com. So there is a vulnerability. So we converted self access to reflected one with exploitable. So I hope it's clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion session later on.